Hi everyone, it's Nick from Printerbase taking a first look at the Samsung C1810W A4 colour laser printer, which is due to launch in April 2014. This machine is actually the same as the Samsung CLP415NW with the added benefit of NFC or near field communication, which we'll be looking at in one of our other YouTube videos. Now, if you already have the soon to be discontinued CLP415NW, fear not, because Samsung's new C1810W takes the same consumables. So I'll just quickly run through the specs. 18 pages per minute, first page out time in less than 16 seconds, 9600 by 600 dpi effective output, and I can confirm that Samsung has really stepped up its print quality over the past few years thanks to the use of polymerized toner. And this new toner requires less heat to fuse onto the page, resulting in less energy consumption. There's a 250 sheet paper tray which has a single sheet multipurpose feeder incorporated into it. It's worth noting that there are no additional trays that you can add. There's a 100 sheet face down output on the top of the machine. There's an eco button on the machine that lets you enforce economical printing across your business. You can alter this, but as default it'll put 2 pages onto one A4 sheet and skip blank pages. If you prefer not to enforce eco printing, then these options can also be set as required within the driver. USB, Gigabit Ethernet and Wi-Fi come as standard. For maximum compatibility across various versions of Windows, Mac, Linux and Unix, you get PostScript Level 3, PCL 5C and E and PCL 6C, as well as Samsung's own SPL emulations. The printer itself can also process PDF files, so if you're working from a Windows operating system, to save you some time, you could use Samsung's Direct Printing utility, which allows you to send PDFs directly to the C1810W without having to open up the file. The machine has a 533 MHz main processor and a 150 MHz subprocessor, which sounds nice. All I know is there's very little processing time when sending jobs to the machine. The C1810W supports media weights of up to 220 GSM, and although there's no automatic double-sided print, there is the option in the driver for manual double-sided print. I'll be taking a look at that in one of our other YouTube videos. The machine will come with a 1000 page starter black toner and a 700 page starter cyan, magenta and yellow toner. Replacement black toners are 2500 pages and the colours are 1800 pages each. These yields are calculated using official ISO guidelines. The only other consumable you should ever need to replace is the waste toner container. It'll take anywhere from 3500 to 14,000 pages to fill up, depending on the ratio of colour to mono pages you print. Now, the transfer belt on the machine is rated at 100,000 pages, so I wouldn't expect anyone to replacing that item, because for that volume of print, a higher end Samsung model will give you a far better total cost of ownership. You should get in touch with Printerbase if you want further advice regarding TCO. Okay, I'm going to sign off now, but if you want to see this machine printing from a PC or from an NFC enabled smartphone, please check out our other C1810W videos by going to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/Printerbase. And as always, you can see these videos from our website, which is www.printerbase.co.uk. And finally, we have an excellent sales team that will be more than happy to help, so get in touch with them at 0800 170 7234. I'm Nick and thanks for watching.